Assalamu alaikum. If you need a grab every night for pray na night from beginning of the night stay to the ending, this 10 work the wood they can talk about. So now for do them every blessed day, inshallah, you go fiba like you don't do night prayer from the beginning of the night stay to the ending. Then no difficult. The first work. Now follow pray the Isha and the Fajr na Jama'ah. The hadith and Uthman ibn Affan radiallahu anhu take hadith from Uthman ibn Affan أنه قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم. He say Prophet صلى الله عليه وسلم من صلى الإشاء في جماعة, anybody pray Isha في جماعة inside جماعة كان كقيام نصف الليل. If you be like that, they don't pray half of the night. ومن صلى الإشاء والفجر في جماعة, anybody pray Isha and the Fajr inside جماعة كان كقيام ليلة. If you be like that person don't pray whole of the night. رواه أبو داود. وقال الألباني, Imam Albani say حديث صحيح. Say this hadith na authentic hadith. The second deed na for pray 4 rak'ah before the zuhur. An Abi Salih rahimahullahu ta'ala marfu'an mursalan anna an-nabiy sallallahu alayhi wa sallam qal. He say Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa sallam 4 rak'atin, if you person pray 4 rak'ah before zuhur ta'adilna bi salati sahar, then they equal to person where they grab ending of the night. Sahihul Jami', then they say Sahihul Jami'. Number 3 work for pray the tarawih prayer inside Ramadan with the imam. Te imam don no go na o say they go pray shuffle witr day. Liye imam una pray all thing together. And Abi Dharr, we take this hadith from Abi Dharr al-Ghifari radiyallahu anhu, may Allah please with him. Qala is sumna ma Rasulillah sallallahu alaihi wasallam Ramadan. To observe Ramadan with the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Falam yakun bina an-nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The Prophet no pray to win a night. Hatta baqiya sab'u min ash-shahr. They left 7 days inside the Ramadan, like the 23. فقام بنا ناي pray na night. حتى ذهب نحو ثلث الليل. Till the third part of the night pass with the pray. ثم كانت السادسة till 26. فلم يقم بنا إنه grab إنه pray na night. فلما كانت الخامسة where the 25th reach قام بنا in pray back حتى ذهب نحو من شطر الليل. They have parts of the night all pass. قلنا now tell Allah messenger يا رسول الله, Allah messenger لو نفلتنا قيام هذه الليلة, even if you pray nafila this night. قال Prophet say Nayana want inside the hadith إن الرجل a person إذا صلى مع الإمام, if he pray to imam حتى ينصرف, the imam don't for pray, it means inside Ramadan حسب له قيام ليلة, if you ba like you don't pray whole of the night. أخرجه النسائي وأبي داود. The fourth, for a person read 100 verses inside Quran na night, even if you no pray with them. And Tamim al-Dari, I will take this from Tamim al-Dari radiyallahu anhu, may Allah please with him. قال Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he say Allah messenger man qara'a bi mi'ati ayah, anybody read 100 verses then في ليلة inside a night كتب له قنوت ليلة, then the right for like you don't spend whole of that night day and worship Allah. رواه الترمذي وحسنه الألباني. Number 5, عن أبي مسعود, we take this from أبي مسعود قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم, he say Prophet صلى الله عليه وسلم من قرأ بالآيتين من آخر سورة البقرة, anybody reads the last 2 verses from ending of سورة البقرة في ليلة inside a night كفتاه, then to the 2 like you don't spend whole of the night in the worship. رواه البخاري. Number 6, let's get good habits with the people there. عن عائشة رضي الله عنها, we take this from عائشة رضي الله عنها, may Allah please with her. قالت, he says سمعت رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم, I read from Allah messenger, may peace and blessing be upon him, يقول in the say إن المؤمن a believer لا يدرك بحسن خلقه, it get in good character درجات قيام الليل صائم النهار, it get in good character position of person where they grab na night, they pray every night, and person where they keep fast every blessed day. Number 7, while a person serve the widows them, for do goodness to the widows them. And Abu Hurairah radiallahu anhu qala an-nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, Abu Hurairah, he say Prophet say may peace and blessing be upon him. As-sa'i al-armala, person where they struggle for satisfy the widows, wal miskin and miskina kal mujahid fi sabilillah, if you like person where they do jihad for Almighty Allah. I will qa'im al-layl, like where person, if you like person where they grab na night back, sa'im al-nahar, person where they keep fast something every day. رواه البخاري, Imam Bukhari writes that. Number 8, عن أوس بن أوس الثقفي رضي الله عنه قال سمعت رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم, say from Allah in messenger يقول in the say من غسل يوم الجمعة واغتسل, anybody was on Friday, Janaba. Summa Bakara Wabtakara, they come earlier for go pray. Wamasha, they walk by foot. Walam yarkab, no claim by any transportation. Wadana min al imam, they sit down closer to the imam. Fastama, he listened to the sermon. Walam yalgh, they no play. كان له بكل خطوة عمل سنة. Allah the right for any step where they take for gonna mocks like 1 year blessing of in night prayer and blessing of in fasting also. The number 9, for a person plan where they do every night say they do night prayer before ever you sleep. Ana Abi Darda, we take this from Abi Darda radiallahu anhu, may Allah please with her. Yarfa'uhu ila Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Qala, it's a prophet sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, man ata firashahu, anybody can in bed. Wa huwa yanwi an yaquma yusalli min al-layl. For in plan, for say he gave a prayer na night, faghalabahu ayna hatta asbaha, sleep wolan te do clean nebo grab, kutiba lahu mana wa Allah the right for what he been plan. Like you don't pray in the night. وَكَانَ نَوْمُهُ صَدَقَةٌ عَلَيْهِ مِنْ رَبِّهِ عَزَّ وَجَلَّ. And then in sleep they be Sarah from in Lord. Number 10 and the last one, for teach other person with a good work. Like you share this video or you explain to person how the night prayer good, how person for grab in the night. If anybody grab in the night, he pray, you back they get the same blessing. If you complete for listening this video, now for sharing, they go in a comment section, he pray upon the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.